Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. Which of the following is the largest river island in India? Majuli, Srirangam, Bhavani Island, Munro Island. Answer A. Majuli. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore, C.V. Raman, Amartya Sen, Mother Teresa. Answer A. Rabindranath Tagore. Which of the following is the highest peak in India? Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, Mount Everest, Comet. Answer A. Kanchenjunga. Which constitutional amendment is known as the Panchayat Raj Amendment? 73rd Amendment, 74th Amendment, 42nd Amendment, 52nd Amendment. Answer A. 73rd Amendment. Who is the head of the state in India? Prime Minister, President, Chief Minister, Governor. Answer B. President. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the protection of forest and wildlife? Article 48A, Article 51A, Article 21, Article 29. Answer A. Article 48A. The President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, elected members of Parliament and legislative assemblies, state legislative councils, chief ministers of all states. Answer B. Elected members of Parliament and legislative assemblies. Which of the following is a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution? Right to property, right to vote, right to equality, right to education. Answer C. Right to equality. Who has the authority to declare a national emergency in India? Prime Minister, President, Parliament, Chief Justice of India. Answer B. President. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Root, stem, leaf, flower. Answer C. Leaf. What is the chemical symbol of sodium? Na, Answer A. Na. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. Answer B. Nitrogen. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Mercury. Answer A. Mars. Which organ in the human body is primarily responsible for detoxification? Heart, lungs, liver, kidneys. Answer C. Liver. The Reserve Bank of India was established in which year? 1935, 1947, 1950, 1964. Answer A. 1935. Which of the following tax is levied by the state government only? Income tax, corporate tax, excise duty, value added tax. Answer D. Value added tax. Which India state has the largest forest cover? Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following is a direct tax? Goods and services tax, income tax, customs duty, sales tax. Answer B. Income tax. Which scheme was launched by the Government of India to provide housing for all by 2022? Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Make in India, Digital India. Answer A. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like to our channel.